Alrighty, so I'm currently removing rivets, like metal rivets, with a plastic clip remover for this rear glass on the blue Saab. And what are you removing the rear windshield with?
This.
So those those are the hedge trimmers.
They're metal trimmers, but yes, essentially hedge trimmers.
Beautiful.
I'm just cutting the seal out very slowly. I might just start cutting the body of the car for fun.
Might as well.
Yeah, you know, like
that'd be easier.
That's some tough Swedish metal, man.
That is.
Finally got it to do what I want it to.
Beautiful. So yeah, basically we're gonna start tearing this thing apart. We already got a decent amount off the engine. Actually, Brandon got the alternator off.
Yeah, I was working at that for a while, and now I'm frustrated with the engine, so I wanted to do something different. So,
yeah,
you know, ADHD.
ADHD, and we're not stressing ourselves out too much, so.
Oh. Trying to get this big piece of Bondo off. But as you can see, no one should be mad at me for curb stomping that.
That's disgusting.
It's all silicone.
Yeah.
Them trying to prevent the car from leaking, which didn't work.
No, didn't work at all.
Yeah, look at this Bondo.
Oh, that's a nice chunk there.
Look how thick it is.
It's, wow.
You got a flat blade screwdriver handy?
I did until everything fell.
it.
I was gonna say everything fell off the roof from somebody curb stomping the trunk.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, that's actual metal breaking under there. As you can see, oh, there's a massive hole. That's why, right here.
Oh, makes sense.
Anyways,
so that's why the trunk leaked.
Back to the Bondo.
Oh, bye.
Here, that's a good piece.
That's a pretty decent chunk there.
Just a PSA for everyone here. This is not how you do body work.
No, you
don't be a hack. Do it right.
Glop it in. Wow. Wow, that is a huge chunk. That's a lot.
Yep.
Oh, bye.
Yeah, just drop your light in.
Drop my light.
Yeah, this is not how you do body work, everybody. This is, like, perhaps some of the worst I've seen in person.
Yeah. Hello, focus, please.
Yeah, this is perhaps some of the worst Bondo I've ever seen. Shout out to the previous owner.
Legend.
You're a hack.
Not. Not
You're an absolute hack. I just separated the trunk. Apparently it's like 3 layers thick of metal, and then with a massive layer of Bondo and silicone on top.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's an interesting way to put your car back together again.
Right.
That really hurt. I'm gonna stop doing that.
Let's not do that.
Yeah. Good job. Shout out to you, sir. You're really good at bodywork, man. Look at that.
Excellent.
Yeah, good job.
So, let me turn on my flashlight real quick. We got the actual rear glass out, and we got both of the little quarter glass thingies out. And also all the door cards and the door latches and all that stuff.
Yep,
so,
strikers, all that. Oh, I need to remove that. That's a good reminder.
Oh, yeah.
Need to remove that antenna because I snapped the one off of my beige car. Like an idiot.
Oh, no.
There's a bush in my driveway that gets overgrown sometimes during the nice weather. Nice flowers bloom from it. But I accidentally turned the radio on too early. Put the antenna up, let my car warm up for a moment, put it in reverse, backed out of the driveway, and smacked the antenna right off the car and broke it. So that was very smart of me, and I was quite upset about that because I was amazed at the fact that the antenna actually worked. So the fact that I made it not work made me very unhappy. And also it broke the radio, so now the car just doesn't have a radio, and I just drive in silence and listen to the engine, so that's okay. But I'm going to remove this and hopefully have a radio again.
That's not fun.
I don't even know what this is to do.
Oh, wow. That's fine. The toxic fumes coming out of here.
I'm built for it, man.
Yeah, you're good.
That is a whole ass assembly, man.
Yeah, it should. So this should be a nut. Yeah, that looks like a nut.
Oh, right there?
Yep. This is actually a nut. This is how my black Camry was.
Oh. And you just pull it out the bottom?
So, yeah, you take the nut off, and you'll be able to pull it through once you unbolt that. So, yeah.
Ah, that's how you get it?
Yep.
Okay. I'm
Sweet.
just trying to get all the wires disconnected.
Yeah.
Brett.
Yes.
Alright, I'm fed up, and I'm cutting the motor mount now. Hopefully this isn't, like, the motor side of it.
Yeah, I was going to say you're standing on it.
Let me just get a visual inspection of what I'm doing here, you know?
Good idea. The headlight.
I seem to have misplaced...
Behind you on the frame.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, beautiful. Would you look at that? I like how
I'm making somewhat good progress.
I like how you're cutting the engine out while you're also using the engine as like a footstool.
Yeah! It's like cutting off the roof of a car while standing on it.
Exactly.
Because that's where you get the best angle, you know? Well, that's through one side of the motor mount.
Good.
The motor's sinking for sure.
I can see it.
It's like slowly just... Makes sense.
Slowly
That's good.
sinking down in the engine bay.
That means it's working.
So, the thing...
this cut is very close to the oil filter. So this could be very bad.
So before you do that, should we snip the axles first, or is that like an afterthought? Are we gonna do that after we drop the engine out?
You don't want to save them?
No, I do not.
No, those things are trashed.
They're $40 online.
Those are $0 and right in your face.
Yeah,
That's fair.
But if I cut them, it'll also keep the fluid in the box. So that's kind of my logic.
Makes sense.
You know, that is a good thought, Brett. I don't know how I'm gonna cut the axles either.
With that.
Well, yes, with this, but thank you.
Yeah, hey, you're welcome for the input.
So this side I can't really even see, so I'm definitely gonna have to get under the car to cut that axle, which is gonna be a grand old time.
Excellent.
But I think I might be able to
Might be able to get right through
do a
there.
little trimmage on this side, you know? Maybe move this harness out of the way
Okay.
and just cut right through the boot, you know?
Safest place to do it. I guess.
Is it a greased boot?
We're about to find out if it
Yeah,
is.
probably. I would imagine it is a greased boot, yeah.
Sounds like a bad time.
It does sound like a bad time, you're right. I think I'm gonna have to get under the car for
Face protection.
both of these occasions,
Yeah.
which is a really upsetting time.
Yeah, especially that the engine is now on half amount being held in by.
It's got a little, like, subframe thing here
Yeah,
that I
that'll just
still have yet to remove.
that'll cradle it, I guess.
Yeah, like,
Right
you
there.
know.
Don't just put the hoist. Put the hoist.
Yeah, but then we
Sure.
gotta have the door open, you know? And that sucks.
It's a little cold out.
Unfortunately, it is that time of year. It's just dancing on there.
I bet.
The fuck?
All right, we have aborted mission for cutting the axle since it's made of like titanium or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna pretend the axles don't exist, and I'll think about what I'm gonna do with those when we get to it.
Tell them your idea of what we're gonna do with the steering wheel.
Yeah, we're gonna wiggle the crap out of the steering wheel and see if the axles just fall out. Because
I really hope
Hopefully
that
they do.
works. I really hope that works because that would be hilarious.
It's actually really simple to get the axles out of these cars. Just everything is so rusty on this one that there's no way. Thing's just trying to fucking ride, bro.
Yeah, that's working well. Excellent.
Getting toasty in here. Thanks for coming over. So we're just gonna...
Keep her going.
Yeah, we're just gonna continue this. To the never-ending edge.
Right. It's like curving. Is it even going through there? Can you even cut it there?
I can cut it wherever I want.
That is, I mean.
Just drop the jack a bunch of times.
Alright.
That really will help you.
Engine moved a lot there.
It did.
Yeah, I did not stress it at all.
Really? Great.
Fantastic.
Well, that didn't work.
Is that broken?
Yeah. But this
I
part,
saw the engine sag like a mother.
you still need a little bit on that part you were cutting, I think.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
Just needs to go a hair.
Jesus. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Hell fucking yeah.
Good.
You didn't drive this car.
Yes, I did.
No.
Yes, I
Somehow, yes, you did.
It's so terrible. There's no way that thing's attached. Really?
What could it be attached by is the thing, with
No,
it moving
the
that
metal's
much.
attached.
Is it literally just the axles? Or what?
No, it's that mount.
How?
The mount is mostly
Is it?
gone.
I'm just assuming it's just the rubber then.
No, it's the metal. There's a metal bit that we can't cut.
Wow.
I kind of cut the wrong spot.
I don't know, it's really like
It cut well.
Kinda
so it was
connected.
okay.
It's kind of
kinda not connected. That's what
exciting.
I was looking for. Look how much it's moving on this side.
Oh, so the mount's, we didn't need to cut anything.
The mount just
Great.
toasted.
The mount's going to toast itself if we just shake it some more. Or pull on it, yeah.
Good, yeah.
It's moving, the rubber's moving away from the body as you just move.
It's off this
So
side.
you're stuck to the, oh wait, so you probably aren't stuck to the car now.
Yeah. I'll try to scooch out of the way.
The axles are just fucking bending hard now.
What's that?
Oh wow. Yeah, they are.
It's almost out on this side.
Good. So what can we get to smash these through?
Yes, please.
Should have put these windows down before you done that.
That one doesn't work.
Well, should have yanked it.
Should have.
Right would be when it's at its longest, right?
I believe so.
Probably.
It's moving inward.
Now you just pull
Wait,
the engine
please.
a little bit more.
Hold on. I think it's still moving, that's the thing.
Alright, still moving. Good. Ooh,
That sounded promising,
it did.
but it also sounded like slippage.
It's highly likely.
You try turn right even more.
It's like all the way right. Brake steering right, brake.
Ooh, I got to move more.
Oh, good.
Do you guys also hear an engine?
What?
Do you guys also hear an engine?
Yeah,
Can't tell.
I think that's just the buses, hopefully.
Yeah. Oh.
We can find out. We should drill a peephole in the door. That'd be cool.
You
We
go
should.
left just a little bit. Keep going.
Sort of goes.
Stress.
Let that down for more wigglage.
Wigglage. We're gonna put that on a t-shirt.
Let's make everything fall
Everything.
off the car.
I've already done that like 3
I
times.
know.
It's fine.
That sounded nice.
That was definitely plastic snapping.
Something's happening here. It's nice.
No, I think it's this. The heater core lines.
Nice.
Hopefully. We don't need those.
You want to try to go up a little bit? I'll watch this mount and just see what it's doing. I mean, the whole thing's moving now.
Yeah, it's free.
You think?
Ah,
It's
fuck.
gotta be.
Goddamn fucking steering link. Fuck. They're not steering, fucking.
Shifter.
Yeah, that.
Oh yeah, the shift linkage. Alright, well, that's how we're gonna attack this, I guess.
Oh, 100%. I think I'm just gonna let it down more, tilt the front of the engine forward so I can get at it from the top, you know?
Okay.
Once again, the engine goes back in.
The back of the car settles. Oh, that's just it resting up against the tires. I just realized that.
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure that's stiff.
Yeah, it's not moving.
And I'm going anywhere.
Well, I just wanted to make sure that was on tight, just so that if it dropped anymore, it wasn't just going to hit the ground.
Yeah.
You put a
It does
hole.
have like a little subframe thing there, still.
Yeah.
Where did my headlamp go?
I don't know.
You just had it, yeah.
Yeah. Good ADD.
Well, it didn't break. We're good.
Yeah, so I left Brett's
I didn't crack
ratchet
it.
here.
Yeah.
There. It was here, Brett. All the way here.
Really?
Yeah.
Epic.
I don't know how the fuck it got there, but it did. So,
Thank you.
yes, you're welcome. I'm just trying to keep your tools safe. That's a pretty fucking safe place for them. We would have found it too when the engine got out.
When the engine got out, yeah.
Yeah, if this engine ever comes out.